Buttercup, and this week it's all about space. So today for my activity, I decided to do a galaxy in a bottle. Ooh. So what is a galaxy? It's a group of stars, star clusters. There's some intergalactic gases. There is dust, dark matter, and it's all gravitationally bound together. And so what we're going to try to do today is try to capture that all into a bottle. And so if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so for this activity, you actually will need some clear glue, and I just got just regular clear glue. It doesn't have to be any specific type or brand. And then I also got this clear water bottle. Make sure it's clear. And then I have some water in here, but I'm gonna dump some out because that might be too much. And we need some room at the top to put the glue and need a little bit of air in there so we can shake it up. And then last and finally, I got some glitter, and I got different types. So we got the silver, purple, and all fine glitters, and I also got some chunky glitter, and of course some stars, because we can't have a galaxy without stars. So let's get started. So I have my water bottle here, and I filled it up more than halfway just so there's enough room for the glue. So make sure that your container has a lid because, like I said, we're going to be shaking this and we don't want to make a mess and our parents to get mad at us, right? So next step, we're going to go ahead and take our glue and we're just going to dump most of this bottle in here. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so I'm back here with my water bottle, and as you can see, all the glue has settled at the bottom, and it's only about 1 inch off the bottom. That's all you really need. So that turned out to be about half of this bottle. And so I also went and filled up a little bit more at the top so you have something similar to this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glitter off camera and then show you what that looks like. Hey guys, so I'm back here and I just added my glitter to my water so you can see that it's all in there. And next step, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it up. Make sure it's really tight because once you shake it, there's no going back. Okay guys, so here's the fun part. This is where you get to shake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. So I'm shaking, 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 shaking. All the glitter is mixing, all the glue is mixing at the bottom. So I'm just shaking, shaking, shaking. And look at that. That is amazing. So if you guys want to go a little step further, you can go ahead and color your water so you have a more darker looking galaxy. So if you enjoyed this, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. That's all I have for you guys this week, and I hope you enjoyed it and you have fun with your galaxy bottles. And until next time, bye!
Hi everyone, it's Rubik's. I'm here to talk to you today about stars. So have you ever wondered about the stars that you see in the sky and wondered what they were? A lot of times people think they're just cold little dots up in the sky, and whereas they're really just a type of a plasma. They're releasing a lot of exothermic heat and really hot. So today we're going to talk about constellations, which are just a group of stars. In 1922, they were divided up into 88 different constellations. So they're just these imaginary lines that form mythical creatures or different figures. And I'll show you an example here. The first one we're going to talk about is the Great Bear constellation, which forms the Big Dipper. A lot of you are probably familiar with, and I just used a white colored pencil and some silver Sharpie just to show you the outline of the Big Dipper. And with these two bright stars right here, if you follow the line up right here, it takes you right to the Polaris or North Star, which form the tail end of the Little Dipper, part of the Little Bear constellation. So as you can see these with your naked eye in the sky at night. You don't need a telescope for these. Also, because we're right into the new year, if you were born between December 22nd and January 19th, you would fall under Capricorn, which is a zodiac sign. And this right here are the stars that form the pattern or design for the zodiac sign of Capricorn. So what I would like you guys to do is do your own research with constellations, find your favorite one, draw them out using stickers, crayons, colored pencils, If you don't have any of those things lying around, I also was able to use marshmallows and toothpicks, and I also formed the Big Dipper using this as well. I hope you guys are able to learn something new about the constellations, have fun designing them. If you'd like to share them, please send them to me. I'd like to see what you guys can do. Have fun. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hi, Plume here. This week we're going to be talking about space, and I'm going to give you some fun facts about the moon. The moon is an average of 238,855 miles, which is 384,400 kilometers away from the Earth. That means 30 Earth-sized planets would fit between the Earth and the moon. If the Earth were the size of a nickel, the moon would be about as big as a bean. The moon is slowly moving away from the Earth, getting about an inch further away each year. The moon continues to spin away from the Earth at the rate of 1 inch per year, at about the same speed at which our fingernails grow. So you can imagine how slowly that's going. Without the moon, a day on Earth would only last 6 to 12 hours. There could be more than 1,000 days in 1 year. That's because the Earth's rotation slows down over time thanks to the gravitational force, or pull, of the moon. And without it, days would go by in a blink of an eye. All right, there you go. Some fun facts about our moon.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bump's Place. I'm Bump, and today we are celebrating space. On February 18th of this year, the rover Perseverance is going to be landing on Mars. So to celebrate that, we are going to build a helicopter. Why a helicopter? Because Perseverance is going to launch a helicopter into the Martian atmosphere or Mars atmosphere. So let's get to it. We're going to build our own helicopter in this celebration. So all you need is a piece of notepaper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. You can have a piece of tape also so that we can add some weight to this, or a paper clip. All right, so first what we do is we'll take our paper, we'll fold it in half and crease it along the line. After we do that, we'll go ahead and tear it right along that fold. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, we'll take one of the halves and just put it off to the side. All right, next, we'll take our half. Again, we'll fold it in half. And we could call this hamburger bun style. Okay, run our lines along the fold. Again, we're just going to take it and tear it right along that fold. And again, just being careful, do the best job you can. If it's not working, you can always use the other scrap pieces of paper. We have our two halves. We'll take the one half, put it over here into our scrap pile. Then we take this piece of paper and we're going to fold it the long way, or hot dog bun style. And we'll just go ahead and fold that also. And we'll go ahead and tear it along the fold. Okay, we have the two halves. Take the one half, put it over here, and then go ahead and lay it long ways in front of you, going left to right. All right. All right, now that we have our long piece, we have it in front of us. We're going to take my pencil, and I'm going to draw a line right down the middle, splitting the long piece in half, like so. And I'm going to take it again, long ways, left to right, and draw a line right down the center of the long way, like so. Okay, kind of makes a plus sign right here. And then, putting the long ways in front of me, left to right, I'm going to use my pinky, and I'm going to draw another line, the width across, just to the right of my first line. Here's the line that I just drew. All right. Then I'm going to take that line that I just drew and put 2 circles towards the center so I know where to cut to. Okay, there's my 2 circles right there. Okay. And then I take my scissors and I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 of the circles. All right. If you accidentally cut it all off, go ahead and take one of the scrap sheets and do it again. All right. I have my 2 halves. All right. And then we'll fold them together. All right. We'll go ahead and we're going to fold those 2 halves towards the center. I'm going to use my table here. I'll just fold it. Do the best job you can, making it straight as possible. Okay. I make my body. Here it is. I folded those 2 together. I'm going to take the bottom piece here, just fold it up some. Okay. I'm going to take my paper clip and I'm going to use that to hold the fold. Now you could use tape or you could just leave it. It still work. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut along this long piece to this line right here. All right, and this is going to form the blades of the helicopter. So go ahead and cut that right to that line. Okay. All right, I'm going to take 1/2 and I'm going to fold it away from me, doing the best you can, keeping it straight. Take the other half, fold it towards you or towards me, and best you can. If you want, you put it on the table to get it. The folds are opposite of each other. Okay, I'm going to take my fingers to move it up, and there you go. We have our helicopter. Let's go ahead and see if this works. Great, here we have our helicopter. Let's see if this flies. Now hold it up here. Here we go. See if it spins. There you go. It does work. So, in celebration of space and the landing of Perseverance on Mars on February 18th, 2021, about 1 month from now, we'll see Perseverance landing. They're going to launch a helicopter from it. Hopefully we can watch it on TV. Good luck to the NASA scientists and engineers. Stay safe. We'll see you next time at Bumps Place.